Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. Let's just see some important things that are happening and might happen. So let's see here. First things first, in Spain, we just had some red warnings issued over Valencia for tonight. So they do have here uh, southern parts and central Valencia as well, close to 180 millimeters possible, and they say like 4 to 5 hours. So please stay safe there from flash flooding and everything. Also in Malaga, they had a lot of water spouts and floods today, so please continue to stay safe there. Let's just show you the our own model. So it does have more storms near Valencia there throughout tonight and tomorrow Thursday. So here in Iberia, so shows those storms there, especially tonight, tomorrow morning shows more storms, and some for Thursday, tomorrow, the RO model. So the total accumulation here, it does have until Friday. um, it doesn't have that much, but it does have some specific spots. Southern Valencia close to 150 millimeters, even 180 or something, some specific spots there. So please be careful and stay away from flooding. Now for like uh, most most of Europe, there's the system in Spain there, and this is the GFS. It has that system in Spain going away. It's showing becoming a powerful low pressure system in the Atlantic there. So we watch that, and then it also has that system near Italy and Greece with some snow and some storms there. That's Thursday the 14th. Shows Friday some more storms in Greece too, and especially eastern Turkey and Georgia. Some more snow Saturday the 16th and Sunday, and showing more storms around Cyprus and near northern Israel, but especially southern Turkey, like Sunday the 17th and Monday the 18th. And later, the GFS has those fronts like in Norway, those areas already on the 16th, some heavier snow, has some on the UK, some snow in the north, and rain in northern France and southern UK, and does have some snow in the Alps by Sunday the 17th, more for southern Germany, and does have a snow system too near the Baltics there on the 18th and 19th, and southeastern Europe like the 19th has another front. The GFS is getting this crazy system there like Netherlands and Belgium on the 19th, with some heavier snow into northern Germany too, and continuing through north central Europe, even getting some heavy snow like southern southeastern Europe, and another system on the UK with some rain and snow on November 20th after that, and even more stuff later. So this model will change a trillion times, but this is just an interesting forecast to show. There's the European model, might be a little bit different, still has the rain Spain and Portugal, especially in Portugal tomorrow, more rain southwestern Spain in some areas. Shows those storms around Thursday, tomorrow, already today, Wednesday in Greece, more some snow southern Serbia and some areas. Shows more storms on Thursday, especially near Greece, and shows some snow already in southern Russia and Georgia in the Caucasus on Friday. More snow in eastern Turkey on Saturday the 16th. And those heavier storms possible in Cyprus and southern Turkey on the 17th, all the way to the 18th. So be aware there. He has some fronts in Norway, alright, a small one on the 14th and 15th. Has a bigger one on like the Friday the 15th with some snow and rain in Norway and some rain in other areas. That does have on the 17th a system for like southern UK and central Europe. Some rain on Sunday the 17th, maybe a snow in a spot or two. It does have like later on the 17th and 18th a system going through northern France and southern UK with some more rain and snow. The European does have a big snow event like the Alps and Norway and Sweden on November 19th, northern Spain, many areas, and does have the front all the way to southeastern Europe on November 20th, more storms near Italy and Greece in some areas. And it even has another system to Spain and France on November 22nd. So we'll watch that, but nothing certain still. Just showing you different forecasts. There's the Canadian model, shows those storms in Spain and Italy and Greece, and some snow like Montenegro, southern Serbia, and some areas. Shows more storms in Greece, maybe a snow or two on Saturday, the 16th, and western Turkey, some storms too. This goes into Cyprus and southern Turkey on the 17th, some snow through central eastern Turkey, and shows the dead front in Norway on the 15th and 16th, more snow, some rain through central northwestern Europe on the 17th, and 18th, some snow in Belarus and Russia and some areas there on the 18th, and brings more systems like into France and the Alps with more snow into Germany on November 20th. And the Canadians very crazy with a big snow system central to Eastern Europe on the 20th and 21st of November, and showing more stuff in France and Spain later. So yeah, but that's very far out, and this forecast will change a lot of times. But what we do know for now is there will be the storms that there in Italy, Greece, and the snow in parts of Montenegro and Serbia, even Bulgaria. And we also know the storms in Spain there and Portugal, more rain there until Friday. Saturday, still the rain likely in Turkey and Cyprus. On Sunday, more storms there. Some showers of snow and rain throughout Central to Northern Europe until like next Sunday. And after the 17th, it's already too far out to determine what might happen. But yeah, be aware in those areas. Now for all of Northern Europe, there's already today snow. Northern Norway and Central Norway and Northern Sweden already show snow, and Iceland shows a system Thursday, very early on the 14th tomorrow. Western, Eastern Greenland and Iceland showing snow, especially to Friday, shows that snow continues Central Northern Norway, the mountains there, not areas until the 14th, shows more southern Norway on the 15th, more like northern Sweden, northern Finland there in Russia on the 15th and 16th. So yeah, be aware in those areas. Now the temperature is very low too, some parts of Central Europe, Northern Europe and Eastern Europe. So uh, during the day does show a little bit milder southern Spain, maybe southernmost Greece and Italy, but at night shows those very cold temperatures in the Alps, parts of Eastern Europe, and some parts of Northern Europe, especially the Alps and Eastern Europe. Shows this is Friday, shows again on Saturday morning cold. Sunday in the afternoon shows a little bit less cold in Italy and Spain, but still very cold throughout Central Europe, especially northwestern Europe in some areas. So here a closer look does show like some, for example, tonight into Thursday morning shows in some areas like Slovakia and Romania some -2 degrees, -4, especially in Romania, some -5 in the mountains, Ukraine, Belarus, and the Alps there show like -7 in the higher peaks, northern Italy, even western Italy, southeastern France, in Austria, some colder temperatures, and throughout like Montenegro, Serbia, and Bosnia there in Croatia. On the Pyrenees shows those negative temperatures still, France and Spain and Andorra, and like central to eastern Turkey, some -3, 0 degrees in spots, Georgia, even -10, -12 in the Caucasus. So be aware, like Belarus and Russia, cold too, and parts of Lithuania. So yeah, be aware. Norway, Sweden, some 0, -6 in the mountains, northern Finland colder. This is Thursday, shows still pretty cold Thursday night, Friday morning. On Saturday shows more like widespread colder temperatures in all those blues throughout Eastern Europe, Central Europe and Italy too in some areas, and even the dark greens are very cold, like some 2 degrees, and shows northern Greece, Turkey, especially Romania, Hungary, parts of the Pyrenees and the Alps especially. So this is Saturday. Next Sunday still pretty cold across those areas. a little bit less in the Pyrenees, but already shows northern UK some 0 to -1 degrees, southern Norway some -11, -10, some mountains in northern Sweden, like northwestern Sweden, some -17 next Sunday. The mountains, central northern Finland. So yeah, be aware. In Iceland, it's pretty cold, especially in the higher elevations, and yeah, so be aware those temperatures. The rain accumulation does show that the European model, more storms in Greece there next 5 days, close to 93 millimeters. Some areas, southern Albania, Cyprus, and like the coast of Syria, southern Turkey, some more storms. Even Lebanon, a storm or two in Israel. More rain throughout northern Turkey, western Turkey. Some rain in Bulgaria, especially in Albania, and Croatia, show some more central Croatia there. Those winter showers in northern Germany, Belgium, the Netherlands, Poland, the Baltics there, and the UK. It shows more there, close to 80 to 100 millimeters in Norway, and some more western Sweden and Iceland. There's some more in Spain, I mean, shows in Portugal and southern Spain there. So the global models aren't showing that much in Valencia, but the high resolution models have have like in some parts southern Valencia close to 89 millimeters or even more there, because a run from earlier today suggested like 150 millimeters there or even more. So this latest run is not showing as much as before, but if you are in Valencia, I recommend you treat the situation just as if like 180 millimeters was going to fall, because of all the floods that already happened there. The scenario is like very dangerous, so please be careful. And this is the rain. The snowfall, because many areas it'll be more snow, so does show here until the 18th. More snow central Greece into northern Greece and Albania, especially in the mountains, central Greece. Montenegro, that snow there, southwestern Serbia. Montenegro especially goes to some 11 centimeters, 12 centimeters, more like in Kosovo, 4 centimeters, some parts of Albania, some even 14 centimeters of snow, more like Croatia there, Slovenia and Austria. Some snow in Switzerland, but like 3 centimeters, nothing crazy. Shows in Ukraine, some snow showers in Belarus, Lithuania, Latvia, and some areas. And yeah, it shows in Norway there, some 84, 60 centimeters, a lot in the western mountains there, 109 centimeters. Northern Norway, northern Finland, and northern Sweden, especially northern Norway and Finland shows a lot. Sweden, mainly the mountains, shows no shower elsewhere. Shows in northern UK there, some like 21 centimeters, as north to central Ireland in the UK, and shows more in Iceland there. But on the other hand, the GFS is a little bit more like northern UK, some 12 centimeters, a little bit a snow shower to a little bit further south, and in the GFS is definitely more in the Alps there, so some 30 centimeters, has some in the Pyrenees there. The European has like in those mountains of Castilla and Leon, and maybe a finger or two in Portugal. But yeah, the GFS is a lot in eastern to northern Turkey and Georgia and Russia, and it has more some parts of southeastern Europe. The icon has mainly southeastern Europe, a finger or two in Italy, in the Alps, and the icon is more than northern UK as well, and Norway, Sweden, and northern Finland there, and Iceland. So be aware of this snow and everything. And shows here like wind. Let's just see the European still shows something here, because a few days ago it showed that big storm to the UK there. Now it's not showing that, showing those like fronts with snow, maybe further south into France, southern UK, and some areas, but it's not, this specific run is not showing that gigantic system. But we better watch for those other systems too. There's like the wind gusts. The European does have some stronger winds today, Wednesday night, the 13th, parts of northern Spain, and like even the Mediterranean, be aware. Shows more southern France and near the Mediterranean of Spain, a little bit gustier. Those mountains of Morocco there. and we might make more videos for Northern Africa too. Shows more like in Croatia on Friday the 15th, some stronger gusts, central Italy in some mountains, and yeah, shows stronger gusts near the Greek islands possibly on Saturday the 16th, and yeah, maybe some other spots of the Alps like Ukraine, Czechia, and France there, but this changes a lot. Might vary. Like next Tuesday still shows higher gusts in Ukraine and shows like those systems in Norway there. Already shows strong winds in northern Sweden, the mountains, so there are already very strong gusts there. Norway and western Sweden. And then this is today's Wednesday into Thursday shows more strong winds western Sweden, Norway there, especially Norway. Be careful with the gusts and the marine warnings there, the marine conditions, and shows more there like to central western Sweden, central Norway. On the 15th, shows a finger to northern Norway and Iceland, those interior mountains there of Iceland. Be careful. This is Friday. This shows the bigger system to southern Norway, some higher winds across southern Norway there. On like Saturday the 16th, still in Iceland and northern UK, a little bit gustier. Northern Denmark and Sweden, some areas. Showed like on Sunday the 17th, higher gusts near the North Sea and parts of Norway and Sweden still in southern Iceland. So yeah, be aware. It shows that big low pressure system just rotating there in the ocean. So be aware of the winds and the rainfall and everything, and stay safe. We'll make more updates with some advisories in Greece for storms, rain, some stuff in southern Germany for snow and ice. This link is in the description here. If you go down here, you can see the warnings like in German, in Spanish, in French. So yeah, be aware. Like this one in Italy there, you can see it in Italian.